Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel name is Sriji English Wala. My name is Pankaj Devangan. I hail from Chhattisgarh. I hope you are doing great and you are learning in a great way. Have you ever felt when I try to speak in English, my mind was blocked? I understand English, I know English, and I know grammar. In spite of having a little bit knowledge about English, when I started speaking in English, my mind goes blocked. If you face this type of problem, this video for you. I will tell you some simple method to fix this problem. So first problem is fear of making mistake. Yes, this is a big problem for everyone. Fear of making mistake, fear of using wrong sentence, fear of people laughing. This type of fears stop you to speak in English. Your mind stops working because of fear. So making mistake is part of learning. Even a native speaker made a lot of mistake when they were a beginner. So don't worry about making mistake. Making mistake is just a part. It's not your fault. Second thing is every beginners type of mistake a lot because every beginner doesn't think in English directly. So they take help of translating method. Then they try to translate them into English. This process is very slow. If you think in your native language, then say you try to translate them into English, then you speak. Then it's a process, slow you are speaking, then your mind become confused and your brain stop working properly. So stop translating method. Start thinking English. And how I can start thinking in English directly? Start with a small sentence. Yes, when you try to speak in English, then don't try to speak long and the big sentence. Try to speak and try to think in a small sentence. It will help you to fix this problem. Is that don't practice on daily basis. Yes, you read on daily basis, you watch on daily basis, and you write something new in English on daily basis. But you don't practice on daily basis. You are not consistent to practice speaking English on daily basis. This is a big problem because your mind is not trained in this language and you are not habituated of this language. So without practicing, you can you can't speak in English properly. So if you want to improve your English language, so you will have to practice on daily basis. Even 5 and 10 minutes of speaking practice is enough. You don't need hours and you don't need good vocab, good English structure, good knowledge. You don't need. You need just practice. You need to be consistent on daily basis. Then your English will improve and your mind start thinking in English when you practice on daily basis. So solution is this: talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself on daily basis so that you can habituate of this language. Second thing is start with a small sentence. Yes, you can start with a small sentence to speak in English and think in English directly. Third thing is a practice on daily basis. No matter how much mistake you make while speaking, so avoid start thinking in English and I start speaking in English in a small sentence and be positive. Be positive is very important to speak in English. Without being positive, you can't achieve anything because learning plan is very difficult and during learning plan and you not be positive, so it's quite difficult to maintain consistency and to acquire any knowledge. So so black mind means you are learning something new. It's not your fault. It's not your weakness. It's your strength. So keep remember one thing: everyone faces this type of problem. Not you. Not each one. Not each one who faces this type of problem. Everyone faces this type of problem. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In next video.